Today, we will discuss Workato and Boomi. Both platforms are mostly cloud-based and provide online integration services. In many instances, this removes the requirement for on-premise software and hardware deployments. Their emphasis on automating corporate processes is one of their main similarities. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. Workato is renowned for its low-code or no-code interface, which makes it easy for citizen integrators to use. Workflow automation. It is excellent in automating intricate processes in a variety of applications. Quick deployment. Workato is renowned for facilitating integration deployments that happen quickly, adept in integrating with APIs. Boomi is renowned for its strong features, which are intended for intricate or extensive integrations. Hybrid deployment, it provides flexibility for a range of IT architectures by supporting on-premise cloud and hybrid environments. Boomi's native support for electronic data interchange or EDI and business-to-business or B2B processes is robust. All in all, both platforms' API administration tools enable users to create, publish, and maintain APIs. Both platforms offer tools for integrating APIs. However, Boomi might offer more choices in this regard. One of their key parallels in this focus on automating business procedures. Tools for creating and automating complex workflows involving many applications are included in both platforms.